On 5, summarize 5 best practices for virtual board meetings. 5 best practices for virtual board meetings. B. These are 5 virtual board meetings practices. 5 practices for virtual board meetings. What are the best practices for virtual board meetings? The first best practice is reliable technology. Reliable technology. Reliable technology. Reliable technology. It's important for the board to invest in a secure and reliable virtual meeting platform with features such as screen sharing, voting tools, participant controls, in order to ensure smooth and efficient meetings. Number 2, pre-meeting preparation. Pre-meeting preparation. The board should distribute meeting materials well in advance, including the agenda, the reports, and any relevant documents, to give board members adequate time to review and prepare for discussions. That is a good best practice, pre-meeting preparation. 3, clear communication guidelines. Clear communication guidelines. The management should establish clear communication protocols for virtual meetings, such as raising of hands to speak, that is a communication protocol, or using the chat functions for questions, and even muting microphones when not speaking. That is one of the best practices for virtual board meetings. Number 4, facilitated discussions. Facilitated discussions. The board may consider appointing a skilled meeting facilitator or a chairperson to guide discussions, to keep the meeting on track, and ensure that all participants have an equal opportunity to contribute. So that is a good best practice. There ought to be a trained facilitator who can guide the board members in holding virtual board meetings. Then the last best practice is in relation to cyber security measures. Cyber security measures. The board should implement a robust cyber security measures in order to protect sensitive board information, such as using secure login credentials, as well as encryption of data transmission, and so on. So candidates, these are best practices, and by following these best practices, organizations can ensure that their virtual board meetings are efficient, secure, productive, and they lead to effective governance and decision making. So these are 5 best practices. 1, reliable technology. 2, pre-meeting preparation. 3, clear communication guidelines. Number 4, facilitated discussions. Then lastly, cyber security. 5 best practices, 5 marks. And candidate, this question has been tested many times. We've answered it here several times. So you can see why I always tell you the boardroom dynamics paper is a very interesting paper. It's an easy paper because the subject just revolves around matters to do with what happens in the boardroom, the dynamics in the boardroom. It restricted, the topics in this subject are restricted to the nature of restriction, the nature of interactions, and also the relationships and behaviors of board members in the boardroom, what we are referring to as boardroom dynamics. So we've come to the end of the revision of the April 2022 paper. We began by answering the case study in question 1, which carries 40 marks. Then we'll answer question 2 to up to question 5, which carry 15 marks each. And thank you for attending the lesson. We remain faithful to providing solutions for all the problems in the Certified Secretaries course. We've answered all questions, and you can have the questions on our website. Log into the website and you can subscribe. If you have any questions, you can send your questions. The good thing with our video lectures is that the videos can be downloaded for offline use. You don't need to have internet throughout in order to watch the videos. No, you can download all the videos and study offline. If you have any challenges downloading, we can help you to download. You can reach out to us through the official lines on the website. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.